Opening was a rush in many counties, with congestion being one of the challenges. Our reporter Fatma Ngwena looks at how the situation was in different counties.
Schools have resumed physical learning after a long break occasioned by COVID-19. Many public and private schools have complied with the Ministry of Health guidelines in curbing the virus, but social distancing remains a nightmare in many public schools. At St. Saviour's Primary School in Nakuru County, there was no social distancing by learners as teachers struggled to rearrange the setting to accommodate the high numbers of pupils.
Hakuna social distance, ingawaje watoto wanavalia maski, lakini hawa keep social distance. Hii gonje ikianza kuingia pale shuleni itaweza kuangamiza watoto wetu. In
Bungoma DEB Primary School, Bungoma County, which has over 3,000 pupils, teachers complained of congestion as the school can't improvise the proposed idea of learning under shades by the Ministry of Education.
Lile ambayo hatuwezi ni social distancing. Vile waziri amesema kwamba tunatumia any available shade. Shule za town kama hizi hakuna hata shade.
Some public schools in Murang'a County struggle to cope with increased new admissions as many parents have opted to shift their children from private to public schools. A similar situation was witnessed at Lenana Primary School in Narok, where parents were seeking new admissions for their children.
The compound was full with children from the private school, so we are trying to accommodate them in our classes.
Today in the morning, I was having so many parents coming from private schools to look for vacancies in the school, of which I have to give them.
Teachers from various schools in Kakamega County, Turkana County, and parents from Mombasa County in Mlaleo Primary School have pointed out to the fact that there are neither additional classes nor ablution facilities as all levels of Kenyan learners resume learning today.
Hakuna kipima joto. Tumeenda kwa klasi, hakuna madawati. Sasa toshangaa tukiuliza walimu wanasema watoto wekeni chini ya mti kwanza, tutaangalia baadaye vile tutawapanga.
In Uasin Gishu County, education officials have cited congestion of pupils as a major challenge for most schools, with many not having enough desks to accommodate the learners. Fatma Ngwena, TV 47.